our corporate philosophy, investing in the smallest dream. It also showed the management team what they think about Magma, how they visualize this business with respect to the customer segment which we cater in. I'll run through a small presentation which talks about, in a nutshell, gives the highlight of our business lines, and how we have fared in the last financial year and what we intend doing, especially this year. It's broken into two parts. First part deals with the whole company, and the second part would be for the combined Andhra Pradesh, which includes Telangana and AP. So this year we have still not split the whole portfolio of Andhra Pradesh into Telangana and AP. So we regret that inconvenience. We'll be doing that henceforth. We'll split the Telangana bit and the Andhra Pradesh. So here we go. So this is a bouquet of products which we offer. If you see, we deal in utility vehicles and cars, which is the passenger cars is one of these segments, both new and old. Commercial vehicle, again, both new and old. Construction equipment, new and old. Tractors, SME loans. We are into affordable housing and general insurance. These are the product lines which we have. That's a diverse financial needs for over lifetime. Key highlights of our products, if you see car finance, which is the passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, we give both for new and old cars. The key customer segment includes also the SRTOs, which is a small road transport operator. The interest rates, indicative interest rates are also given. That's a range of interest between 12 to 16% of IRR. And we've got fire, engineering and liability. So rural agri market is one of the focus areas to drive the growth in general insurance business. And here we have a JV with our German partner HDI Gerling. This is our branch network, ladies and gentlemen. If you see, it is widespread. 67% of our branches are either in rural or in semi-rural areas. So that makes us, kind of a more of a rural and semi-rural player rather than being a city player. So we have got 275 branches across 22 states and 1 union territory. We have 10,240 people on rolls. That's the strength we have in terms of manpower. The key business highlights for this quarter. We've already declared our quarter, published our Q1 results. You would have gone through it. So just the key highlights are our disbursement increased by 33% YOY. That's over last year we grew by 33%. Although the market did not grow by this rate. The loan book also increased by 12% YOY, driven conscious growth in mortgage and tractor financing. The NIM, which is the net interest margin, also improved by 16 bips. And the mortgage and the general motor insurance set to achieve scale of contribute positively to overall profits. They are doing very well. These have been the highlights of Q1. If you see the disbursement mix, this is how the product wise, the product bouquet which I showed in the beginning, that's how the products behaved. So if you see, there is a sharp rise in the mortgage business in our overall disbursement from a 0.7% in the last quarter, because we just started last year. It went up to 16.2%. Tractor business also grew by 17.9 to 19.7%. So these two are the major drivers in terms of business in the Q1. Our NIM also, as I said, improved by 16 bips from 5.6% to 5.76%. So the disbursement grew by 33% from 1800 crores to 2398 crores. The loan book growth. This is how the asset under management looks like. So it grew from a level of, in financial year 13 over 14, if you see, there's a growth. And between the two quarters, YOY, the sharp growth in the NIM by 16 bips and also rise in the book size by 12%. So there is a rise in the NIM as well as the book. So while your asset under management also went up, coupled with a prudent product mix, which has yielded to a higher NIM. This is the participation. If you see the state-wise, I'm sorry, we do not have a Telangana and a AP breakup. in this, that's what I made a statement in the beginning. So you see AP all put together contributes 8% of the overall, loan size. So 18,295 crores is the asset under management. And these are the states which contribute. You see Uttar Pradesh contributes highest at 11%, followed by Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh, both states put together, Telangana and AP contribute to 8% of our overall book size. And if you see the zone-wise split, so the highest contribution comes from North India, followed by West, then South and then East. That's how the book size looks like. So now this was pan-India scenario. If you come typically to Andhra Pradesh, which is again, as I say, is including Telangana and AP. So you see we have got 24 branches. 12 branches are in Telangana and 12 in Andhra Pradesh. So out of the 12 branches in Telangana, we have got 4 branches alone in Hyderabad. And then we have in Adilabad, Karimnagar, we have in Mahbubnagar, Mancherial, Nalgonda, Nizamabad, Khammam. These are branches which we have in Telangana. And the balance one is in Rayalaseema and AP. We have got a strong employee base of 660 people. And we got around 35,000 live customer base. So we are in the state, I clearly remember in the year 2000, since 2000. So it's almost 14 years we are now in this state when we have had our first office in Hyderabad. And since then, the live customer base, we have a larger customer base who would have taken loan and closed their books. This is a live customer base which we have of 35,000. And when I say a branch office, essentially a branch office, if I say Mancherial is a branch office, then we operate 125 kilometers radius of that branch. That essentially covers the whole state. So that's how been the disbursement in the United AP. If you see, the car business contributed to 267 crores out of the 562 crores which we lent last year. So Pan India, we did a business of 9,082 crores, out of which 562 crores was done in United AP, out of which 267 crores was car. Then you had SME loans, tractor, CV, construction equipment and 105 crores. We intend growing at a 20% in disbursement for the financial year FY15, and we firmly believe that we'll be able to achieve this target. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.